So, you wonder where I've been?
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Been kinda busy, you know. Just been out chilling, but also been kind of busy weekends, and I started videography. You know, been busy on weekends, and then being in school. I've been lazy, man. Just plumb lazy, bro. But today I got a banger for you guys, bro. I know I ain't posted like 6-7 months. I don't even know. 5 likes. I'll start posting again. I'll start making videos again. Just for y'all, bro. It's gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go dummy in those games too. I ain't gonna die. I ain't gonna do nothing. No, I'm just playing. I'm probably gonna die because I suck at games. Let's get to what we're doing today. And today, I'm really excited about this one right here, because today we're unboxing a little special something, you know, got me right here, God of War collector's box. Yeah. See, to be honest, I really been looking forward to the millionaire up in here, bro. It's pretty fire right here. So I'm gonna go get something right quick, and we're gonna get this thing opened. All right, got you. Be right back. All right, so I'm back with my trusty scissors right here. See, safety first, you know. As always, that's the #1 rule. Safety first. All right, I'm gonna get this joint open. Cut. Cut. Oh my God. It won't. It's being difficult. There we go. Alright. We don't need these anymore, I don't think. I don't know. But yeah. Damn, how you get this thing open? Oh. I'm a dummy, guys. I'm supposed to leave it. Hold on. Gotta cut it some more. I'm a dummy. Holy crap. It really opens like that. That's crazy, bro. What's going on here? So I just slide it out. Oh, okay. I'm gonna move it over here right quick. Alright, that's the receipt. Push that joint out. Push it out. Push it out like a baby. What? Oh. See, this box right here. Hi. How are you today? Alright. Oh no. We got some graphics right here. I'm gonna show you guys. I think this is the graphics from the last game at the end. If you want to pause it, look at it. There you go. Alright, time to get to the goodies on the inside. If I can even open it. I'm also keeping this, by the way. Whoo! Let me get my trusty trash can. Oh my god. Bro. These are so perfectly craved, bro. Like, look at that. Can't. We're gonna go ahead and put those in there. I wonder. Don't litter, kids. It's very bad for you. Like, mad bad. No cap. Oh, it's a dice set. It's the dice. Whoo! I'ma die. All. Just made a mess. Yeah. I don't know if I picked all of them up. No, I didn't. And all the dice are pretty much the same. So I'm gonna just show you one of them. I actually like them. They actually feel pretty smooth. Oh, here's the steelbook. This is the steelbook case. The digital content is in here. I can't read that, so I don't know this type of language unless it is actually English. So basically, you just pop this right the crap off. Pop. It's the thing I've been waiting for. Holy crap, man. Milner. I gotta take it out just for the one time. Oh my god, it's dinged by the thing. Try not to cut it. Safety first, kids. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put this back now. So overall, this right here, this Milner right here, favorite part of the whole thing. But this chest is very detailed. This is 10 out of 10. Would recommend. That's all I have for today's stream. not stream. Oh my god, what is this, Twitch? That's all for today's video. Hope you liked it. Remember, 5 likes, I'll do gameplay on me. If I don't, you can yell at me. Also, add me on Twitch, link in the description. I made my own Discord server, so that's gonna be in the description. Go follow the Bell Fam Bam family channel, you know, and like and subscribe to me, obviously, because why wouldn't you be? Well, basically, this video is gonna be going on the Fam Bam channel and my channel at the same time. So, yeah, go subscribe to the Bell Fam Bam, the Bell Fam Bam, the Bell Fam Bam, the Bell Fam Bam, the Bell Fam Bam. Alright, and but yeah, my Twitch is, yeah, go join that. I highly recommend. It'll be fun. I just do stupid stuff on there. Well, we're gonna be doing stupid stuff on there. What else? And also go follow Hoodie Boy TV. Link gonna be in the description. Also, that's my videography. And also go follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and yeah, and my yeah. I highly recommend all of those. So that's it for today's video. Like and subscribe. Hope you liked it. See ya.